Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my lovely client Emma, and she's coming today for a redesign. So I removed her previous design back down to that clear layer, done all the prep, infilled the growth, and now we're going straight in with design. I always say that, don't I? Straight in. What else would I be doing? But here I'm going in with blueberry glow. Sorry, I'm laughing at something Liz just sent me. So I'm going with God, that's a mouthful. Blueberry glow. And I was going to put it halfway down the nail, and then I was going to blend the glitter straight in from that. But I thought I want a little bit of base colour, so I just put a little bit of like a wash of that colour at the cuticle area. And then we're going in with some glitter from Sonia Williams, which is called Peacock Plume Multi. Stunning. So I'm just picking up a small bead of acrylic, dipping into that raw glitter, and then we're going to pat it and nudge it all into place, just into where exactly I want it. I haven't really got a great background here, have I? Because I've got the telly on and Mel was about to start. I can tell he's on his way to pipe him right up. Mel, pipe down. Anyway, so yeah, I'm nudging and pushing that all into place. So this set was inspired by Amanda Brine. Tell me, now artist, I think that's called Amanda_Brine_now artist on Instagram. So it was set inspired by her that my client brought in, said that she wanted it, and it's lovely. So here I'm going to create a smile line, and I'm using the dreaded for me Perfect Peach. To be fair, it wasn't even that bad. I think sometimes maybe I overthink it and think it's worse than it is. But sometimes I really struggle with this this colour. I don't know what it is. I think quite a few other people do. And it's such a shame because it's such a lovely colour. I love it so much. It literally is the perfect peach. The perfect nude. So yeah, we're going to create a nice smile line with this. And once I've done that, I'm going to cap that little smile line, a little extended nail bed, in crystal glass. So I'll just let you watch this part. Oh, and also my nails, yeah, they look disgusting. They've been on for over 2 weeks now, haven't they? And I've had to cut them down because I just could not cope. So we've got a nice thick free edge. But I'll get them off soon. I just can't be bothered to soak them at the moment. So the middle finger is going to be a marble. So now I marbled, it was like a stripy marble, not your little swirly marble. We're going for a stripy side to side marble. I never usually marble with just two really pigmented colours. I usually add a nude, and I feel like that's where I've been going wrong, because I absolutely adored how this marble turned out. So from now on, whatever 2 colours. So like I would usually do this and I'd be like, no, I've got to break it down, I've got to put a nude in there or a white. No, absolutely not. I think this just looked so nice, and these 2 colours together, marbled like ombre like this, just looked stunning. Don't you agree? I agree. So it even had glitter in the original set that we're copying, and it was so good. We were like, we are not ruining that with some glitter, so we kept it plain. So, and I'm just picking up like a couple of beads, place them on the nail, and then we're just going to literally just go from side to side in a diagonal sort of way, up and down, and just bring it all the way through. It's pretty simple. I think this is the easiest way to do a marble now, rather than your swirly. So if you struggle, try and give this way a try. See how you get on. Boom, done. So onto the pointer finger. I couldn't kind of work out what was going on with the pointer finger, so I just made it up. So we're going in with Blueberry Glow at the cuticle area and just blending that down, just covering like half the nail really. And then I go in with some glitter from Phoenix Glitter Supplies called Glow in the Dark. So you're telling me she's going to be... does this... Let me look. Oh, it glows in the dark. Hold on. I have no idea. It glows in the dark. I've got to text Emma now and tell her. So yeah, we're going in with Glow in the Dark glitter. And we're just going to put that at the tip and blend it like more down one side. Do I do that or do I not? So yeah, I'm just doing that. And then I'm going to come in with that same peacock plume. And we're gonna just put that over the top and make like a little, you know, that is little S's kind of things, kind of, but not really. And then I wanted it to blend a little bit more, so I'll just come back in with this glitter, Glow in the Dark. Is it just called Glow in the Dark? Oh, Glow in the Dark Frozen, sorry. Love it, babes. Love it, babes. So yeah, you can just watch me do this. So the thumb is just going to be a full nail of that. Oh, I didn't even tell you the name of it, did I? Caribbean green. I love it. I love it so much. I was really thinking none of my clients would have it, but 2 people have had it now. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of you all. All my clients that are having green. So I was struggling a little bit with this cuticle area. I ain't gonna lie. This is Emma, who she says that she has toe thumbs. A big toe for a thumb. I don't think she does, but they are a bit wide. They are wider than all of her other nails. A lot of my clients have something wrong. I have a client who doesn't have any knuckles in her thumb. Like there's no knuckle. I never can believe it when I look at it. It doesn't look different until she tells you that there's no knuckles in her thumb. Like there's no knuckle in her thumb, like no ridges, none of those line thingies. And it don't bend. That's Jodie. I'm going to record one of Jodie's sets so you can see a non-knuckle thumb. I love it. I think it's only in one. I love stuff like that, like a little bit of character. I don't really have anything. I have a little birthmark on my face, like my side of my mouth, but you don't notice it. It's red, but you don't notice it if I've got makeup on. It covers right up. It's only little. It's like a little strawberry mark. God, this is why I don't talk on my thingies, because what am I even talking about? Anyway, we're going to cap all the nails in crystal glass, and then we're going to go on and we're going to finish off that smile line. So I just went round and filed that smile line just to make it a little bit more pleasing to the eye, even. So now I'm going to do the same sort of thing. Well, kind of marble these two colours together on the free edge, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of that peacock plume glitter. This wasn't the best angle. I've tried to change my angle so it's like a bird's eye view, like straight above, but it's kind of always on the wonk, like on the side. I don't know what I'm doing. I even did it quite low down, which is hard for me because it gets in my way. But anyway, I did file them on camera, but it was mega blurry. It was completely out of focus, so I just skipped that part. So now I'm coming in, I'm going to buff all the nails lovely and smooth. Then I do add some crystals off camera, just a couple on the ring finger, and then we're going to top coat. We're going to top coat them all in crystal glass. This is my favourite part. Do you know what? I actually really like that blue colour. I didn't think I would, but I really, really do. See, just a few little crystals there. Just to add a little je ne sais quoi. What does even that mean? So once I've done that, she'll cure in my LED lamp for around 60 seconds. I'll apply some cuticle oil from Naff Stuff in the flavour coconut, the scent coconut, and that is the final result. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.